So this is room 28128 in the Royal Tower at Excalibur. Now I haven't stayed at Excalibur for quite a few years, but I got an offer through M-Life for 4 free nights, no resort fees, 150 resort credit, 150 free play, and I thought, you know what, let's give it a go. Now it isn't your Cosmo wraparound suite or anything like that, but I'm quite impressed. So you've got a bathroom toilet there on the left as you come in, seating area, and funny enough I was given or left this with a note from a host here welcoming me to the property. Now to my knowledge I haven't even got a host at Excalibur, so I'm not quite sure how that all works, but I haven't finished it all yet, so I'll need to take it on to the next hotel. But a nice seating area. Tellies are a bit small and old, as is some of the furniture a little bit. And whoever sits on these stupid chairs that they always seem to put in these hotels, I've really no idea. But a good seating area. I've eaten a couple of meals on there. And a massive fridge in the bar area for your own stuff. So as I say, it's a 1-bedroom suite. Great view. Actually, that's a pretty cool shot, isn't it? Very, very cloudy and rainy over the last day or so in Vegas. Looks like it might be about to throw it down again. And then going into the second room, you have a bathroom here with his and her sinks. Another toilet there. And you have a shower and tub. Now I've not used the tub. I probably won't, but it's a nice touch anyway. Hanging space in there, along with your safe. And the bed is really comfy. Slept very well for the last 3 nights here. Got 1 left. And my only gripe, I guess, is this telly. It looks like it's been put up by some cowboy. I mean, it's not straight. All of the wires are hanging down. The fixing at the side is coming off. I mean, yeah, that's a shame. And then another view, pretty much the same as obviously the one next door. I've loved looking out with that view since I've been here. So yes, it's not the poshest thing in the world, but I tell you what, I'm pretty impressed, and it's worth a shot if you can get this type of room here. The resort tower is the other tower, which is less recently renovated than this one. The Royal Tower is the best option to go for the more modern rooms. I think these were last upgraded about 5 years ago, so it's not that recent, but in any case, not bad. Speak to you soon.